Today we're going to be working on balance, which is your ability to control your body and keep it stable, either while moving or being stationary. You're going to do each exercise for 30 seconds with a 15-second rest in between, and all you need is a floor mat and a timer. Once you've been through all the exercises, have a 2-minute rest and see if you can complete them again.
First, for jump and balance. Jump up off of 2 feet and land on 1 foot. Hold the balance, then repeat again, landing on your other foot. Ready to start in 3, 2, 1. Did you know that great balance is all about your center of mass, where your weight is concentrated, and your base of support, in this case your feet? As you change your body position, your center of mass will change too. So when you're only on one leg, putting your arms out wide is going to help you to spread your weight more evenly, making it easier to balance. Next is side leg lifts. Put your hands on your hips and lift out one leg at a time as high and as wide as you can while balancing on the other foot. What muscles do you think you're using as you do these? You're mainly using your gluteals, the muscles in your butt. Your glutes are made up of 3 muscles known as the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. Try saying those while you do the exercises. For airplanes, put your arms out wide and lift out one leg back as far as you can. Try to hold it for 3 seconds, then repeat with the other leg. For hip circles, lift out one leg to the side and do large circles going forwards and backwards with each leg. And switch legs. Next is ice skaters. Hop side to side, holding the balance on each foot for 2 seconds. Have you ever stopped to think about the importance of your toes when balancing? Your big toes in particular play a massive role when you put weight on your foot. Without your big toes, your feet would have to totally relearn how to balance. For touch and hops, balance on one leg and touch the ground with the opposite hand. Then hop up off your toes on that same foot and land. Then repeat with the other foot. Did you know that your ears play a huge role in helping you balance? Within the ear is something called the vestibular system, which has a special fluid that helps to detect when you move around. Small hairs detect the movement of the fluid, and the information is sent to your brain as valuable information. For Supermans, start on all fours, then lift out your opposite arm and leg as straight as you can. Then bring them back down and do it the other way. Your core muscles come into play for this exercise. The abdominals in your stomach, known as abs, are always working to keep both your upper and lower body stable. And lastly, for star side planks, start in a side plank on your elbow and foot, then lift up your arm and leg to make a star. Try to hold it as long as you can and then switch sides. Here you'll be relying on the oblique muscles, the muscles on the sides of your trunk, which are also part of your core, to keep the support and hold the shape.
Your eyes are also super important in your balancing. And here's a fun and interesting experiment that you can try. Stand on one foot. It's quite easy, right? Now look straight up in the air while balancing on one foot. It's going to be a little bit harder. And lastly, close your eyes while looking straight up in the air and balancing. It's way harder to maintain your balance. Visual information plays such an important role. When your eyes are open, it can send the information to your brain of your whereabouts on the body. And that's why standing on one foot with your eyes closed is so much harder than with your eyes open.